a guy and his junk here. So today we're going to try to clean up some plastic. This is clear plastic for the cluster on a 77 Chevy. As you can see here, that's pretty clear, and then you can't see me. Can you see me? Can't see me. You can see me? You can't see me. So we're going to do something here and try to clear this up. I've heard that if you take some hydrogen peroxide, also got a little spray bottle, and you soak it, it can help get rid of any discoloration inside of the plastic. Since this is a 77, I'm going to try to salvage this if I can. So, let's get started. Alright, I'm just going to start with the spray bottle here. All the discoloration's right up here on top. Nothing on the bottom, that's nice. Just right here on the top where it's been exposed. So, I'm going to start spraying a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to let that sit for a second. We're just going to see what happens. Do a wipe off, and we're hoping that this clears it right up. We'll let that sit for a few minutes, and we'll be back. Alright, it's been a few minutes here, so we're just going to go ahead and do a wipe off and just kind of see what we got here. Okay, so I don't think that worked out too well. Here is after. Yeah, there's just no difference there, obviously. So, one thing I'm going to do is grab some headlight restoration. I think I have a kit in my storage somewhere. And we're going to try to scratch some of that off and see if that will come off. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can get this somewhat clear again. Let's try it. Alright, so we're back with the headlight restore kit. Got the kit, got the sandpaper, some lens clarifying compound, and the clear coat wipe. So I got this wet first. I'm gonna put a little of this on the lens, and we're just gonna wipe it around for a while and see what happens. Yep. Awesome. Oh. Okay. So there's a quick video on how to clarify a little plastic, some plastic a little bit better. That's a 3M product right there for the headlights restoring kit, which is very good. I believe I picked it up at Walmart. Here are the before and after pics. As you can tell, that looks so much better. Is that perfect by any means? No. But at least, hey, you can see me now. And that makes a big difference. Now I can actually see the speed that I'm going down the highway, right? So, quick little video how to make plastic a little bit better. It's not perfect by no means. Eventually, I'm still going to have to replace this if I want it to be perfect. Eventually, I probably will. But for now, this works. So, that's how you make plastic a little more clear. And thanks, guys, for joining me on another video.